Delhi High Court on NEET twice a year. Policy decision by government. ASER 2024. Sharp drop in unschooled mothers. Raise in education levels. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025. Deepika Padukone's key tips for exam warriors. Reservation controversy clouds NEET UG admissions in Jammu and Kashmir. UK India Young Professionals Scheme 2025. Special visa opportunities for Indian youth.
Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Arya Vidya and today's top education news are: on Tuesday, the Delhi High Court declined to hear a plea seeking to conduct NEET UG twice a year like JEE Main. A bench of Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyaya and Justice Tushar Rao stated that such decisions fall under the government's policy domain and courts cannot intervene. The petitioner, a coaching center teacher, argued that JEE Main is held multiple times to reduce psychological pressure and improve student performance, whereas NEET UG offers only one attempt. The court disposed of plea, granting liberty to the petitioner to submit a representation to the authorities, who must consider it as per the law. The bench also noted that several other competitive exams allow only one attempt. The ASER 2024 report highlights a significant rise in maternal education across rural India. The percentage of mothers without schooling dropped from 47% in 2016 to 29% in 2024, credited to Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Mothers studying beyond class 10 increased from 9.2% to 19.5%. Kerala leads with 69.6% of mothers educated beyond class 10, followed by Himachal Pradesh, which is 52.4%. Other states including Haryana, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu saw a 10% increase point raise. Fathers' education levels rose a slower rate. Experts say educated mothers positively impact children's learning outcomes. ASER conducted by Pratham surveyed 6.49 lakh children across 605 rural districts to access educational trends. On day 2 of Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025, Bollywood star Deepika Padukone shared insights on mental health and stress management for students preparing for board exams. She emphasized prioritizing mental well-being, identifying stress triggers, and expressing emotions rather than suppressing them. She urged students to focus on strengths over weaknesses, maintain a balanced routine with proper sleep, hydration, and exercise, and remind them that academic performance doesn't define future success. Deepika also introduced the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique for stress relief. The next episode, arising on February 13, will feature YouTuber Technical Guruji and Anonymous CEO Radhika Gupta discussing gadgets, time management, and technology as a study tool. As NEET UG 2024 applications begin, Jammu and Kashmir aspirants face uncertainty due to controversial reservation changes. The JK government revised codes under the Reservation Amendment Bill 2023. The new rule 2024 increasing scheduled tribe seats from 10% to 20%, while open merit seats remain at 40%. Aspirants fear reduced opportunities for general category students. The JK Board of Professional Entrance Examinations BOPEE will follow the existing reservation policy as no modifications have been finalized. A 3-member committee was formed in December 2024 to review the policy but has met only once. NEET UG 2024 is scheduled for May 4 with results on June 14, leaving aspirants awaiting clarity. The UK government has opened applications for the UK India Young Professional Scheme 2025, allowing 3,000 Indian nationals aged between 18 to 30 to live, work, study and travel on UK for 2 years. The ballot will be open from February 18 to 20 at 2:30 p.m. IST on gov.uk, and entry is free. Selected candidates must have €2,530, which is approximately 2.7 lakh in savings, and cannot have dependent children. Applicants must submit personal and passport details. Winners will be notified via email, must apply within 30 days. Over 2,100 YPS visas were issued in 2023. After 2 years, returning to India is mandatory. Visit gov.uk for more details. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Arya Vidya. For more such detailed news, log into our website www.theENN.com. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.